Hi, welcome to the Summer Rain channel. Today we're going to make a homemade lip gloss, mini lip gloss, I guess. These are quite small, but I am absolutely in love with them. They are flavored with a monkey farts flavoring, which, ignore the name, it is very fruity and smells delicious. If you have not used monkey farts, I super recommend it. And I go ahead and I color it with a passion plum lip tint. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every week. I also post a link to my blog where you can get the full printable recipe for the lip gloss. Without further ado, let's go ahead and learn how to make lip gloss. Let's take a peek at the oils we're going to use in this lip gloss. The first one is lanolin oil. Lanolin is very thick, kind of like a texture of Vaseline, and it's also super sticky. We use this for two reasons. The first, to help thicken up our lip gloss. So you can't just put some oils in a tube and call it lip gloss. You want it to be a little bit thicker than that. The second is it's an emollient, which means that it's going to create like a layer over top of your lips to help prevent water loss. The next oil that we use is castor oil. As you can tell, it is a pretty thick oil. We use this, again, for two reasons. One, to help thicken up the lip gloss. The second is the glide that it provides. It provides an amazing glide in your lip gloss. The third oil that we're going to use is avocado oil. We use this, as you can tell, it's a thin oil, but we use it because it's super slow absorbing. So we use these three oils because it's really going to provide you with an amazing lip gloss. It provides you with one that has just a little bit of a stick, it has a nice glide, and it's going to last a very long time. So when I first bought these, I thought they were going to be just a little bit bigger than what they are, but I actually love these mini lip gloss tubes. So you're going to need your lip gloss tubes. They're going to come with a closure piece. It's like a plastic or a rubber little closure that goes into the top. And then it'll normally come with a plunger to get the lip gloss into the tubes. These two ingredients are going to be optional. I have the monkey farts flavoring, and then I have a lip tint. Feel free, if you don't want to add any flavoring, you certainly don't have to. And then if you want a clear gloss, just leave out the lip tint. This is completely customizable to however you want it to be. I like the flavoring and the coloring, so I'm going to go ahead and use both of them today, but feel free to leave it out if you'd like. Go ahead and grab yourself a heat-safe container. We're going to start by putting our lanolin in here. Remember, I said this is super sticky. Next, we'll go ahead and add our castor oil. And lastly, we'll add the avocado oil. We'll go ahead and pop this on a double boiler until it's completely melted. Just went ahead, pulled the lip gloss base off the double boiler. Everything is fully melted. If you're going to go ahead and color your lip gloss, go ahead, add 1 or 2 drops of the lip tint, and then give that a mix. And then if you're going to add your monkey farts flavoring, feel free to just pop the entire container on top of your scale and tear it out, so then it's going to read zeros. I do this because I'm using such a small amount of flavoring, it's just easier to measure it right here than it is to put it in a separate container. And then we'll give it another mix. So now let's go ahead and put our lip gloss into the tubes. So after I fill the plunger, I like to just wipe it with a paper towel so it's not all sticky on the end. And then you just grab your tube and you put your lip balm in there. And then once you have it filled up, if you can see here, you grab this little rubber piece and you just pop it in there like that. Put the wand in, and that's how you make lip gloss. Let's go ahead and do another. And we'll just fill it up. So you don't want to fill it up all the way, otherwise when you go to put this in, you're going to create a lip gloss mess. If you can see here, I have just a little bit of space before the top. Then I have room to put my closure on and fit the wand in there. If you don't leave enough space, it's fine. The lip gloss will kind of seep out and you'll just have to wipe out the outside. And that is how you make lip gloss. I hope you enjoyed the video.